So, I got a new package. Wait, this isn't working. Let's change that. So I'm actually super excited for this video as I'm finally getting some smart blinds. I reached out to Canisteo and they were so kind to send me 2 blinds to try out. So let's open the package and look at what's inside. In the first package we have the blind, the remote, a charging cable, mounting hardware and the manuals. And in the second package we have the second blind, a charging cable and the mounting hardware. These are actually custom made to fit my windows specifically. Before we mount them, let me quickly show you how to do it on the Canisteo website. Canisteo offers a wide range of shades. Mine are the roller shades, and I got the blackout version, as these will be installed in my bedroom. When ordering the shades, there's quite a lot of decisions to be made. First and foremost, the color. I got the beige color in the middle here. After that, we need to pick the motor. They offer different motors depending on what your smart home runs on. I got the Matter over Thread motor, and I will show you in another video how to integrate them into Home Assistant. For the mount type, we picked inside mount. Now comes the crucial part, measuring. This was quite daunting as our walls are not necessarily straight. However, Canisteo has great instructions on how to measure precisely. After that, you can choose your cassette style, bottom rail style, the motor side, the roll type. If you want a remote, solar panels or light blockers. If you're ordering more than one roller shade, I would suggest you get the 5-channel remote. That way you can use one remote for both of the blinds. One thing that was also really helpful was to label the 2 blinds. This helped with knowing which was the right one for each window. Let's go back to installing them. First we need a ladder. The bracket should be spaced 10 cm from the ends. I did it this way by holding the blinds in position and marking where the bracket should go. Afterwards I could mark the holes I needed to drill. Luckily, Canisteo provides the needed mounting hardware inside the package. So let's start drilling. I didn't record me drilling the holes due to security concerns, but I immediately ran into an old building problem. Metal studs above my window. This meant I had to go to the hardware store to get a metal drill bit. Okay, now that we are back, we can drill the holes. Drilling into the metal took forever. However, luckily only 3 out of 8 holes had metal behind them. Finally, I was able to install the brackets. Here you can see them. Attaching the blinds was actually super easy. You just hook them in and press them into the hardware. And with that, my blinds were finally hanging. Before you use them, don't forget to take out the protectors on both sides. Moment of truth. Let's use the remote to try out on new blinds. The remote was already paired and worked like a charm. Here you can see the blinds in action. I have slept a few days now with these new blinds, and I must say I'm super happy with the quality and how they look. They elevate the look of the windows and keep the light out effectively. The whole installation process was super well documented and actually quite easy. The only problem I had was due to my walls, not the blinds. I'm super happy with my new blinds, and this also means I will need to create a custom cover cards for my dashboard, which I know many of you have asked for. In another video I will also show you how to integrate the blinds into Home Assistant. I hope you liked the video. If you're interested in checking out Canisteo, there is a referral link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you're using smart blinds as well. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos if you want to see me create unique button cards from scratch or come hang out in one of our live streams where we design a new dashboard together. Until then, thanks for watching.